Hey, you're starting a new game, you're wanting to learn code for the first time, and you have a plethora of engines to choose from. I'm going to be covering two of the main ones, Gamemaker and Unity, both very, very popular engines. I am primarily a Gamemaker user that has flipped over to Unity, so you can't really say that I'm biased because there's a lot of things about Unity that I really, really enjoy that isn't in Gamemaker. So here are 10 things that I like about Unity, and I'm similarly going to give a couple things that Gamemaker does better than Unity as well. Okay, so getting started here, we have some good things about Gamemaker, specifically the ability to create projects very, very, very fast due to its 2D design, so it does not clutter everything up with 3D elements and 3D things that are in Unity. This makes it very easy to stand up a quick test and get things running. So prototyping is very, very quick and easy in Gamemaker. Something good about Unity, it has the Visual Studio editor that it uses. So this is a big thing compared to Gamemaker, in my opinion, because you get a lot of different features that you don't get access to in Gamemaker, such as Visual Studio's IntelliSense. So it can recommend code for you, can help you complete things. Another thing about Unity, it has actual built-in Gui components that you can use. This would be a lifesaver in Gamemaker. It takes forever to make stuff, for making complex menus or things like that. It just litters your project with extra code. Also, the file system in Unity is amazing because this allows you to handle complex projects but keep things very, very organized. The folder system and folder structure makes sure that everything stays organized and you can find everything. Unity has support for 2D and 3D and a couple other different variations there. So it has a lot more opportunity for larger projects and different kind of projects. Also, C# is a very, very seasoned language. So as you can see here, it's what I think it's like 4th or 5th or whatever. How about pricing? Pricing we have here, you cannot export to a mobile device without paying for the original $99 and then plus the other expense for the mobile. Unity, however, offers a whole bunch of different kind of packages. It's like a tier pricing, so you can start Unity for free and export it, and that's great. Unity Teams also, it allows you to collaborate on projects together. This is really, really helpful because if you're going into a studio or you want this on your resume, people want to see this, that you're able to work with the team, that you have the skills necessary to work in a studio with a team designing a game. It also makes it very popular for indie developers and game jams. Some things that Gamemaker and Unity both do, though, that are great is they are both easy to learn. They're not very complicated. They both have really great interfaces. They both have an amazing community, and they both target and offer targeting to a lot of devices. So you're never really run out or are limited by the devices you can export to. Well, thanks for clicking on the video. Hopefully you learned something. There's more videos down below, so if you want to watch another one, you can go ahead and click there, I guess, if you want.